In nature's wonders, today we explore the Great Barrier Reef. Located off the coast of Australia, it is the largest coral reef system on Earth. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it is so vast, it can even be seen from space. This incredible place is home to thousands of marine species, from tiny fish to giant turtles. But this fragile ecosystem faces serious threats from coral bleaching and climate change. Join our YouTube channel and discover more breathtaking places you've never seen before. Together, we can learn to admire and protect the wonders of our planet.